All right, amazing. So on Euro USD, I found one of the best signals this month, and I wanted to share it with you. So the signal is simply a collection of different positions where I know the exact colors of almost all the candles that will come in the next 8, 7, or 10 minutes. So let's choose 200. I'm opening this position. I'm starting small, 200. I don't like to open big trades on IQ option. Yeah, so this one is 100% going up. So just follow me. This one is going up. This is based on some indicators like parabolic SAR, like Bollinger Bands, RSI, chart patterns. So plenty of good stuff that will teach me or tell me which direction the market is taking. If you want to learn this strategy, guys, I invite you to go to the course in the description below. I will teach you everything I know about trading binary options, everything about the indicators, the chart patterns is mentioned in the course. So if you are interested, please take a look at the course and try to learn a thing or two. All right, so we made $172. Let's open another position. This one is going down. Sorry, this one is sorry, this one is going down. So as I said previously, this is based on some simple indicators that everybody uses, based also on a simple moving average, on parabolic SAR, some rules. But the strategy is working on OTC. As you can see, the strategy is working on OTC. Also, the strategy can work on yeah, the strategy can work on different markets, pound USD, euro USD, uh, also Bitcoin. You can trade this you can use this strategy on Bitcoin. Yeah, so if you are interested, guys, you can learn the strategy on the course that is mentioned in the description below. All right, let's open this one. Yeah, this one is going up. This one is 100% going up. um yeah, so if I'm winning, I'm taking with me $172 plus my investment, which is $200, meaning I'm making 70 or 86%. That's good. That's good. 86% from an investment of $200 on yeah. So that's not too much on my balance. I don't like to withdraw big amounts these days. I'm avoiding to withdraw large amounts. So I'm sticking with small amounts. I withdraw 10,000s, 20,000s, and that's it. I don't like to go over 30,000. Yeah, 30,000. I do sometimes 30,000, but that's too much. That's too risky because platforms like IQ Option or Pocket Option, binary.com, Codetext, different platforms will give you a hard time. So yeah, let's trade this time with 400. All right, this one is going down. Sorry, this one is 100% going down. All right, so look, look. Yeah, this one is going down. So if you've been following me or if you have access to my course, you already know that this one is going down and you will understand what I'm doing here. All right. This is not magic. This is based on some indicators. Trust me, if you give it enough time, enough effort, you spend days trading on demo account, trying different strategies. Trust me, by the end, you will be successful and you will understand uh, which decisions you should take. So yeah, so look here, the market is going all the way up, but the strategy is telling me that the market will be under this level. All right, under this level. Yeah, so I have no problem with this. So I'm expecting that this one, the market will go under. So just, I still have 10 seconds, and let's see. 10 seconds, 8, 7. Look, look. Is this magic? Is this magic? Yeah. This is really based on some simple strategy, simple indicators, simple rules. That's it. There is no magic here. Simply, I developed my own strategy. I made my own rules, and the most important thing is I respect the rules. I put a lot of discipline on this trading. Yeah, I put a lot of discipline. So if I'm winning this time, I'm making $344. So with the investment of $400, yeah, that's 86%. Um, that's amazing, right? That's amazing. That's amazing. Yeah. So yeah, as expected, this one is it was clear. If you know my strategy, you know that this one was clear, was simple. There was no magic. So look at the RSI, look at the Bollinger Bands. Yeah, yeah, just as expected. All right. Next, let's stick with $400. Yeah, I still have three. Yeah, this one is also going up. Look, this one is all right. Yeah, yeah, look, this one was red. So the strategy is based on some colors, on the colors of the sorry, the candlesticks, the position of the parabolic SAR. Yeah, so win. So the position of the RSI, the SAR, parabolic SAR, also the RSI, and then yeah, based on also on yeah, the BB Bollinger or Bollinger Bands. This one, yeah, Bollinger Bands. So here also we have an indication that the market is going down, and here the market is creating a red candle. So as you can see, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is the sixth. Still have, or no, 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 that's it. This is the last one. Yeah, this is the last candle, guys. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. If you need financial advice, please look for a real financial advisor. All right, see you later.